Today, we summarize NVIDIA's financial results for the third quarter of fiscal 2025. Reported on November 20, 2024, NVIDIA achieved record quarterly revenue of $35.1 billion, reflecting a 17% increase from the previous quarter and a significant 94% rise compared to a year ago. Data center revenue also reached a record $30.8 billion, an increase of 17% from Q2 and up 112% year-over-year. For the quarter, GAAP earnings per diluted share were 78 cents, up 16% from the previous quarter and a remarkable 111% from last year. Non-GAAP earnings per diluted share amounted to 81 cents. Reflecting a 19% increase quarter-over-quarter and a 103% increase year-over-year. NVIDIA's CEO, Jensen Huang, noted that the ongoing demand for AI technologies and infrastructure solutions is accelerating adoption across industries and countries. The company's next quarterly cash dividend of 1 cent per share is scheduled for December 27, 2024. Key highlights from the quarter include: in the data center segment, NVIDIA introduced powerful computing solutions, including the Hopper H200 powered instances across multiple cloud platforms. Gaming revenue was reported at $3.3 billion, marking a 14% increase from Q2 and a 15% increase from last year. The automotive segment posted revenue of $449 million, reflecting a 30% growth quarter-over-quarter and 72% year-over-year. Looking ahead, NVIDIA expects Q4 fiscal 2025 revenue to be approximately $37.5 billion, with estimated gross margins of 73.0% for GAAP and 73.5% for non-GAAP. The detailed financial results, outlook, and additional commentary are available on NVIDIA's investor relations website. Frequently asked questions about NVIDIA's Q3 fiscal 2025 results. Question 1. What was NVIDIA's total revenue for the third quarter of fiscal 2025? Answer. NVIDIA reported total revenue of $35.1 billion for the third quarter of fiscal 2025, which is an increase of 17% from the previous quarter and 94% from the same quarter a year ago. Question 2. How did NVIDIA's earnings per share change in Q3 FY25? Answer. The GAAP earnings per diluted share was $0.78, up 16% from the previous quarter and up 111% from a year ago. The non-GAAP earnings per diluted share was $0.81, representing a 19% increase from the previous quarter and a 103% increase from a year ago. Question 3. What was the performance of NVIDIA's data center revenue in Q3 FY25? Answer. NVIDIA's data center revenue for the third quarter was a record $30.8 billion, up 17% from the previous quarter and up 112% compared to the same quarter last year. Question 4. What is NVIDIA's outlook for the fourth quarter of fiscal 2025? Answer. NVIDIA expects revenue to be approximately $37.5 billion, plus or minus 2%. Gross margins are expected to be 73.0% for GAAP and 73.5% for non-GAAP. Question 5. What were NVIDIA's operating expenses for Q3 FY25? Answer. NVIDIA reported GAAP operating expenses of $4.287 billion for the third quarter, which is an increase of 9% quarter-over-quarter and 44% year-over-year. Question 6. What key developments did NVIDIA announce in the data center segment during Q3 FY25? Answer. NVIDIA announced the availability of Hopper H200-powered instances across multiple cloud services and launched Denmark's largest AI supercomputer powered by NVIDIA technologies. Question 7. How much cash will NVIDIA pay in dividends and when? Answer. NVIDIA will pay a quarterly cash dividend of $0.01 per share on December 27, 2024, to shareholders of record on December 5, 2024. Question 8. What was the change in NVIDIA's gross margin for Q3 FY25? Answer. The GAAP gross margin was 74.6%, a decrease of 0.5 percentage points from the previous quarter, but an increase of 0.6 percentage points from the same quarter a year ago. Question 9. What measures does NVIDIA employ to report non-GAAP financial results? Answer. NVIDIA uses non-GAAP measures to provide additional insights into its financial performance, which include adjustments for stock-based compensation, acquisition-related costs, and other items that may affect comparability. Question 10. How does NVIDIA's cash flow situation appear based on the latest report? Answer. NVIDIA reported net cash provided by operating activities of $17.629 billion for the third quarter, indicating strong cash flow performance. This concludes the summary of NVIDIA's earnings report. Thank you for your attention. The information provided here is for general informational purposes only. While we strive to ensure the information's accuracy and reliability, we make no guarantees or warranties, either express or implied, about the completeness, accuracy, reliability, suitability, or availability of the information. Any reliance you place on such information is therefore strictly at your own risk. We do not offer professional advice, and nothing contained herein should be construed as such. We accept no responsibility for any loss, injury, claim, liability, or damage of any kind resulting from, arising out of, or any way related to, any errors in or omissions from this information, your use of the information, or any third-party websites or content directly or indirectly accessed through this information.